We're going to turn now to the fight against coronavirus. Tonight, the director of the CDC is calling on Michigan's governor to impose new restrictions as new infections there skyrocket. While more than 46% of adults nationwide have at least one COVID shot and about 28% are fully vaccinated. Health officials are especially worried about 5 states, including Michigan, where cases are still spiking. This week, we're in those states to find out why. Here's CBS's Mola Lenghi, who reports tonight from Detroit.
Nowhere is the coronavirus roaring back more fiercely than Michigan. And tonight, an alarming number of cases in the state, nearly as many now as there were during the worst of the pandemic. New cases per capita are the highest in the nation here, 72% greater than the next highest state. Michigan's positivity rate nearly 3 times more than the national average. And now, nearly 24 hospitals in the state are at least 90% full.
The situation in Michigan is pretty concerning. It's as bad as it was over the holidays. The variants are definitely one of the drivers of it.
State officials begging the Biden administration for help.
We're really encouraging them to think about surging vaccines into the state of Michigan.
But today, this from the CDC director.
The answer is not necessarily to give vaccine. The answer to that is to go back to where we were last spring, last summer, and to shut things down.
The governor today extending workplace restrictions, which allow people to work remotely if possible, as she urges a 2-week pause on indoor dining, in-person learning for high schools, and youth sports. But those are voluntary. In Michigan, high school-age kids are far more likely to be infected than any other age group. More than 1 in 4 test positive, including 15-year-old Norah O'Donnell.
When I first got it, I was pretty upset about it. My case was super mild. School is very important to me, so the ability to come play sports and gives my body a time to relax.
The variants that are overtaking Michigan are now spreading across all 50 states, with the B117 or UK variant dominating. And tonight, a new study confirming that variant is 35% more transmissible. But researchers now say it's not more severe or deadly than the original COVID strain. In Michigan, student athletes are now tested every week.
It puts a burden on us. You're just like, wow, this is life now.
What's happening in Michigan today could be what's happening in other states tomorrow.
All Michigan residents 16 and older can now get vaccinated at sites like Ford Field here, which administers about 5,000 shots every single day. And, you know, that can't come soon enough, especially for younger children. The White House saying today, once approved by the FDA, kids will likely be able to get their shots at their pediatrician's office. Nora.
That'll be a big change. Mola Lenghi, thank you.